गाइस, वेलकम टू मेंटेजीनियस। गाइस, हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है, सम ऑफ m टर्म्स इज ऑफ एन एपी इज सेम गिवन है सम ऑफ n टर्म्स के। मींस वी आर गिवन एस m is equal to Sn. If Sm is the sum of m terms and Sn is the sum of n terms, we are given that these are equal. Now, what we have to show? Show that the sum of its m plus n terms is 0. We have to show that Sm plus n is equal to. Now, how we will find that? We have the formula for Sm is equal to m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d, and Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have Sm and Sn's value, and that is given that Sm is equal to Sn. Now we will equalize these values. Now from this equation we can write m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now how solve it? We can cancel out, divide by 2, and now we will open this bracket. Multiplying m with 2a will be equal to 2am plus md into m, that will be equal to m square d minus md is equal to n. We will multiply this n by this one, 2an plus n square d minus nd. Now I will take this whole equation to this side. 2am plus m square d minus md माइनस ये 2an इधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, 2an माइनस n स्क्वायर डी, साइंस विल बी चेंज्ड गाइस, एंड डी इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ 2am प्लस माइनस 2an, m minus n, m square d minus n square d, d will be common and m square minus n square we can write, minus md plus nd, तो minus of d into m minus n we can write. Now taking common from this m minus n, 2a will be left here plus d into, guys we know that m square minus n square is equal to m plus n, m minus n. I am opening this way. Now we have taken common m minus n. What will be left here? M plus n. M plus 1 we will write here. Now minus d only will be left here. M minus 1 or 2a plus d into m plus n minus d. Now m minus n, 2a plus m plus n minus 1, d will be common. We can write it as this way. Now we know that this is 0. This will be our equation number 1. Now write down the formula for Sm plus n, because we have to show that it is 0. Smn plus 1 is equal to m plus n. We are just writing m plus n instead of m in this formula, by 2 into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Now from equation 1, we know that 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is 0. Now we will, if we will put the value here, which will give us the answer 0. Hence, what we need to prove is proved here. Hence, proved. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos.